Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps. Today I'm going to share with you how to change engine oil and oil filter on your Hummer H2 year model 2006. On the previous video I have shown you I did the sea pump treatment and I have driven my Hummer 50 miles, and now after driving 50 miles I let the Hummer sit, it's really cooled down, and I'm going to change engine oil. And the things I'm going to need, you can use, I'm not going to use a jack. As you know, the Hummer has a lot of clearance, so I'm not going to use it. But in case if you need a jack, you can use a jack, and you can use a dead jack. You always can take advantage of the jack. Then I'm going to use Model 1, which is 5 quart, and a Hummer takes a 6 quart. I'm going to use heavy duty oil stabilizer from Lucas. That's a 1 quart. So we're going to add 1 quart and 5 quarts. That makes it 6 quart oil filter. I'll provide the links under my description if you want to check it out where to get it. And then you need an oil filter wrench, you need a socket wrench. We're going to use a 15mm socket, and we're going to crack it open, and then you need oil drain bucket. You can use any bucket, but I'm using this one. This is really handy. This slides in, and we're going to make sure that we crank it open and we'll let the oil drain. And let's get it under the Hummer. Socket wrench with the 15mm. This is the drain pole. So we're going to crank it open. Once it's cracking open, bring the drain bucket. Make sure that bring the drain bucket all the way up, because the oil going to spill like this. So now I'm going to open it. So once it's open, let it drain. And also very important step, remove the oil cap. You need a oil filter wrench, and it's been totally loose, and we're going to let it drain. So we opened it, and we take that filter out. Let it drain for 5 minutes until it's totally drained. I have my oil filter. Get a little oil, just lube it, and now we're going to hand tighten. Place the oil filter, and now we're going to do the hand tight. Keep tightening. Just make sure that you firmly hand tight. Don't use filter wrench on it. It's a stop dripping. This is the drain plug. We're going to place it back. Tighten it, and very important now, the house cleaning. You need to do the cleaning. Wherever the oil is spilled, get a rag and clean it nicely. So as you see, it's nicely clean. Get a ratchet and torque it down. And that's it. Get an oil funnel cap, place it on top, and we're going to open. I'll add half of Model 1. Then I'm going to use the Lucas stabilizer, and then we'll add the remaining. It's a good idea to mix in the middle. The funnel is ready, and we're going to place the oil right in there. So we are done halfway. You don't have to be really precise that you need to put a half exactly. Just put some, then use a stabilizer. And this is sticky product. So when you're putting in, it's going to take its time. I'm done to the last drop, and that's it. And discard these bottles according to your city law. And now we're going to fill the remaining oil. Many people ask, where do I discard my old oil? I do have a poster video on my channel. Please check it out. In our city, every Wednesday, our garbage picks up. And what we do, that old oil, we can use any container, jug, milk container, but we use the same container. We put the dirty oil inside and we put it outside on the street. in front of our house and it get picked up. So please dispose it accordingly, or you can take it to your next gas station where they do the recycle. So that's how it's easy and simple to change engine oil and oil filter on your Hummer H2. This is year model 2006. So I'm going to replace the cap, then we're going to start the Hummer. And how to reset the engine life on your Hummer on your dash panel, I do have a poster video, please check it out. I hope this video is going to help you out, and also it's going to motivate you to do it yourself. It's very simple as you've seen it. You enjoy it and you save money as well. Thank you for joining Easy Steps, and I'm going to see you soon with the new videos. Bye-bye.